What is up, YouTube? So I want to do a quick unboxing of the HTRC H150AC DC Duo charger. So since I recently got an X-Max, I kind of needed the ability to charge two 4S packs at the same time. You know, when I had 3S models, 3S packs didn't take all that long to charge, but the first time I charged a 4S pack, it took almost 80 minutes on my 50-watt charger. This right here has 250-watt channels, so I think it's going to do a really good job charging batteries. I couldn't find much about it online. This is made under a couple other brands, but from what I understand, HTRC is the actual maker of these ones. Open it up. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. I didn't feel like setting up lights and stuff. I just wanted to kind of do a quick unboxing before I started using it, and then I'll also do a tutorial video on it. So that's a charger. It's all metal, no cheap plastic. Feels really good. Looks like you can also power it with a XT60 connector. It's your AC in, on-off switch. It's got an in fan and two out fans. It's also got a USB out charger. Looks like it's 5 volts, 2.1 amps. So that's a nice little charger. In the front, you got the spots for your banana plugs. It doesn't come with temp sensors, but you can get temp sensors. And then it also has mini USB connectors. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like we got one balance board, two balance boards, and what do we got here? We got banana to XT60 and Deans, banana to XT60 and Deans, and banana to XT60. And what else we got in here? And then we got an AC, well, you know, like old style computer power cord. So must have the power source built right inside of it. So that's it, guys. HTRC dual 150 watts per channel charger. I'll be trying this out with some 4S 6000 milliamp batteries. I just got done installing all my XT90 connectors on my X-Max. Did a quick test run on it, and man, that truck rips. So I'll be taking some videos of that tomorrow if it doesn't rain all day, and we'll go from there. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.